Hello friends! Watch how I cook this delicious eggplant recipe. It's so easy, quick and affordable that I could eat it every day. First, I grab some fresh eggplants and slice them right down the middle. It's the first step to creating something truly delicious. Next, I score the eggplant flesh in a crisscross pattern. This step is super important for the recipe. You'll see why in just a bit. We've got that step done. Let's keep going. I take some homemade ground meat, half pork and half chicken. My husband prepared it special for me and added garlic, salt and spices. But he's keeping some of the ingredients in a secret. I spread the ground meat in a thin layer over the eggplant. Those crisscross cuts we made earlier are perfect for helping the meat stick to the eggplant better. Trust me, friends, this ground meat smells so nice. My husband definitely knows his way around meat. He said you can ask him about the secret ingredient in the comments. For the next step, place the eggplants with the meat side down onto a prepared pan with a bit of oil. Dear viewers, your support means the world to me. Your likes and subscriptions truly lift my spirits. It's time to flip our eggplants. Just look at that golden crust. Let's move on to the next step. I take 5 cherry tomatoes and cut them into quarters. I transfer the tomatoes to a bowl and move on to the cheese. It needs to be grated. This dish pairs perfectly with basil. I'm cutting a few sprigs to add some fresh flavor. Let's chop the basil. Add the chopped basil to the cheese and tomatoes. I also add some breadcrumbs to the mix. I add some turmeric for a beautiful color. Garlic powder for extra flavor. Salt. and dress it all with a mayonnaise to taste. I mix it all together thoroughly until it's well combined. Now let's get back to the eggplants. Carefully spoon the topping over them, peeling it up nicely. I let everything cook covered, so the cheese melts slightly and blends even better with the dish. It all will take around 7 minutes. Just look at this amazing dish. It's beautifully golden, the cheese is perfectly melted, and the aroma is mouth-watering. This is a true feast for the senses, so delicious and inviting. Thank you all so much for your incredible support. I can't wait to see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and keep cooking up a storm.